Hello everybody, Richard with R.C.T. Travels. I'm about to show you how to charge the Jackery 1000 off of your AC AC power. First you got to do is plug in the charger. Here's your charger block that comes with it. Let's set her down. I done showed you how to use solar panels to do it. Now I'm going to show you how to do it inside with this. As you can see from the other one, it was at 75%, 76%. Now it's at 77% from that just a little bit of time outside charging. Alright, what you do is you take this right here, you plug it into your AC input, and as soon as it comes on, you should be getting in 138, 145 watts, 147 watts, 145. In that area, between 140 and 147 watts. And this will take a few hours to charge from 75% on up. And that's how you do it. Using your AC current from your house or wherever. A regular plug-in. Alright, that's going to be one of your fastest ways to charge. Alright, y'all have a good day. It's Richard with R.C.T. Travels.